Think of an atom. You probably picture a tiny solar system, a dense nucleus with little electron planets zipping around in neat, predictable orbits. For a long time, that's how science saw it too. But it's fundamentally wrong. The reality, described by the quantum mechanical model, is far stranger and more fascinating. In this model, an electron isn't a solid point in a fixed path. It's more like a ghost, a cloud of probability. We can never know exactly where an electron is at any given moment. Instead, we have orbitals, three-dimensional maps that show where an electron is most likely to be. Some of these probability clouds are simple spheres, others look like dumbbells, and some are even more complex. The mathematical blueprint for these shapes and their energy levels is the famous Schrödinger equation. This fundamental uncertainty isn't a failure of our tools, it's a core feature of reality. It's driven by principles like wave-particle duality, the bizarre fact that an electron can behave like a solid particle one moment and a spread-out wave the next. It's also governed by the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, which says there's a hard limit to what we can know. The more precisely you measure an electron's position, the less you can know about its momentum, and vice versa. But this isn't just abstract physics. Understanding these fuzzy electron clouds is the foundation of modern chemistry and technology. It's how we design life-saving pharmaceuticals, create advanced materials for semiconductors and solar panels, and engineer industrial processes. Every chemical bond, every reaction, is dictated by the strange probabilistic dance of electrons. The solid world we see and touch is built on a foundation of quantum uncertainty.